Good morning, children. Yes, everyone are fine. Very good. Yes. What is our second lesson, children? Our second lesson is the movements of the earth. What is our second lesson? The second lesson is the movements, of the earth. Of the earth. Yes, children. In this lesson, we have learned about three topics. What are those? First, we have learned about hemispheres. What are the hemispheres? Yes, the earth is divided into two equal halves with a big line called equator. Big line, that is latitude. You learn in the other classes, but now it is a latitude which divides the equator, which 0 degree latitude, which divides the earth into two equal halves, into that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Not only that, we have learned about the north pole and the south pole. Top of the earth is north pole. Top here, see here, top of the earth is globe. This is north pole and down is south pole, and here it is the equator. Here it is the equator which divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Next, we have learned about the move, earth on move. Second, we have learned earth on move. Yes, we have learned that earth on move. Yes, if you see, the earth is having two movements. The lesson name is the earth is having two movements. What are those? Yes, what are those? Movement on its axis. Movement on its axis. And next, movement around the sun. Movement around the sun. Movement around the sun. Yes, ma'am. These two we have seen. Not only that, we have seen what is an axis also. What is an axis also we have seen. What is an axis? An axis is an imaginary line. Yes, when you see a bangle, coin top spinning, when it is spinning, when a coin or a bangle spinning, we will see an imaginary line in the middle of it. That line will be seen only it is spinning. The line we can see only when they are spinning. That line is called as, this is called as axis. This line is called as an axis. You have seen also. Yes, I am showing you. You have seen also. Yes, we have seen also. Yes, ma'am. This is an axis. Now, today our new topic we are going to learn. The earth axis. Today, what is our new topic we are learning? The earth axis. Yes, ma'am. The earth axis. For that only it is we are learning what is an axis, everything. Yes. Today our topic is the earth axis. What we are learning? We are learning about the earth's axis. Yes. If you see here, like the spinning objects, the earth also spins along its axis once in 24 hours. Yes, ma'am. Like spinning objects, coin, bangle, top like that. Earth also spins on its axis here from the middle, from the north pole to south pole. We had a line. On that only the earth is going to spin. The earth is going to move. Yes, that we are learning. Like all spinning object, the earth also spins along its axis. Once in, as a first point, we are learning earth also spins. How many? Once also spins on its axis. Once in 24 hours. That means if you see, children, now this is the earth. Yes, to move. Yes, from here to move again and to come here. Now I kept here one point. To move again and to come. Yes, sir. from here to move and again to come here, it will take how many hours? 24 hours. That is 1 day. Yes, Earth's axis passes through its center from the North Pole to South Pole. As already I said, Earth axis passes from the North Pole to South Pole from its center. This axis is tilted now. Now second point, yes sir. The axis is from where? This axis is from North Pole to South Pole. It is there. And third point we are learning. This axis is tilted. Tilted means what? Bended. This axis is bended. Now you can see the Earth. It is straight, ma? No, it is little bit bended. It is little bit bended or not? It is little bit bended. It is little bit bended. You can see, no? It is little bit bended. Yes, how much it is bended? Very small, slight. That is 23.5 degrees. It is bended at 23.5 degrees. As you can see, no? It is bended, little bit tilted at 23.5 degrees. Yes, the Earth spins on its imaginary axis from west to east. The Earth spins on its imaginary line from which direction? From west to east. Yes, sir. Earth spins on its axis from which direction? West to east. West to east. It spins from west to east. Okay, children. Yes. It spins from the west to east. It spins from the west to east. West to east it is going to spin. Okay. Then if you see here, yes, the sun. The sun, if you see the sun appears to rise in the east. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Yes, ma'am. Sun appears to rise in the east. Appears to rise in east and set in west. Due to what? Due to spinning of the earth. Due to spinning of the earth on its axis from west to east. Yes, sir. Due to the sun appears to rise in east and set in west due to earth spins on its axis from west to east. Okay, children, this is. And now this spinning of the earth on its axis is called as rotation. What it is called as? Rotation. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. What it is called as? Rotation. What it is called as? Rotation. So now we are going to learn about the rotation. Rotation means nothing but the movement of the earth on its axis. The movement of the earth on its axis is called as rotation. Okay, children. The motion means movement. Motion is what? Movement of the earth. The movement of the earth on its axis. Once in 24 hours. Once in 24 hours is called rotation. Okay, ma, is called rotation. What it is called as? It is called as rotation. Remember this. Okay, rotation. Yes, the earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. It is also known as what? Daily rotation of the earth. It is also known as daily rotation of the earth. Daily rotation of the earth. Yes, children? Yes. So today we have learned about two topics. That is the earth axis and the rotation. The earth axis and the rotation. One more thing you see here. Yes, here how nicely he has given. Okay, now earth is spinning along its axis. This is the earth. its axis north pole, south pole, west to east direction. Earth rotating from west to east. Earth is tilted. Earth is tilted at how many degrees? 23 and half degrees. 23 and half degrees. And next thing, if you see, rule of the thumb. Rule of the thumb. Yes. If you keep here rule of the thumb, you know that yes, it is very to understand the rule of the thumb. Earth is rotating from west to east. The earth is rotating from west to east. Okay, ma. This is about rotation. Tomorrow, what are the effects of the rotation? In the next class, we are going to learn. Okay, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.